I'm Craig Tetzlaff. I'm president of Valley Tool, we're located in Appleton, Wisconsin. We've been in business for about 40 years, and 30 of that has been making custom cutting tools for the machine tool industry. My dad started Valley Tool, and he had a relationship with Anka prior to me becoming president. And part of the rationale for staying with Anka has been their willingness to invest in technology and bring that technology to us whenever we have a project that we need to work on. We recently added the CPX to our lineup of Anka machines, which has been a huge win for our company. It used to be a bottleneck at the manufacturing process, and by taking that blank preparation off of the MX series and moving it to the CPX, it's allowed us to increase our efficiency by over 30%.
The 3D Sim is, in my opinion, the golden egg of tool grinding. When the machine's running with all the coolant spraying and everything, that it's kind of hard to see, the exact small movements that the machines are making. So the fact that you can use the Sim 3D option and can see the wheels, see the machines, see the axes, so the accuracy is impeccable. And especially when it comes to training newer employees or people that want to advance themselves, it's really easy to show what works, what doesn't work, and then show them why it works. The ability to test those theories before actually grinding is, it's the most important feature of my day.
Well, visually, the first thing most people notice is the surface finish is much better using the MX-7 Ultra.
I don't want to downplay the linears because the linears are still fantastic machines. It's just that Ultra gives you that edge. Increased accuracy on long run times. There are some jobs that we've maybe ran X amount before we would kind of go, oh, we should probably stop there and make sure everything's okay. We've doubled that.
Well, all of our most recent acquisitions for the machines have included a robot, and in today's labor shortage or challenges, that robot has allowed us to capture a lot of unmanned hours, whether it be at night after our second shift or on the weekends. So that unmanned time has really evolved into a production time for us now, where before it was just downtime.
Our batch times, we've been able to increase the amount of tools that we can run in a batch because it holds everything just that much tighter. And then with the laser being able to compensate for us, the normal spot where we might have to stop and make some adjustments, the machine makes those adjustments for us. So we're able to run lights out on, let's say, a Friday, and we can run 2 or 3 times what we normally would over the weekend and have great results on Monday when we come in with little to none outside of tolerance.
So we actually are doing more today with the same number or fewer people than we had before. Anka's reliability is second to none. We've had some experience with other manufacturers. Even when there is an issue, right, Anka's very responsive. Our ability to stay on time with delivery is specific to our Anka machines being available to make custom tools. Moving forward, right, we are committed to Anka because they've been committed to us. I don't know that your competition is bringing out the technology and the time frame that Anka is bringing to its customers. Long term, I don't see us wanting to go a different direction. And as long as the partner, we get what we need out of the partnership and Anka can get what they need, I don't see us changing at any time soon.